Today you will see how a motor is made. This is the first step embedding process. This is an automatic thread inserting machine, turn-to-turn withstand voltage equipment. Coil testing equipment. To detect whether coils have defective products. Here is the second process. Motor assembly line. The first is laser marking. Then, the rear oil bladder of the piezoelectric motor. Finally, the crimping process. Here is the wiring process. The pressure bearing process. Assembling the rotor process. The water test procedure. The refueling process. This is an assembled pump body. Pump body assembly line. Finally, the finished water pump. This is a packaged product. So, this is the production line. If you have any questions, please contact me.